Hello friends, today we'll be learning how to change acoustic guitar strings. First of all, you have to tune down all the strings. This is the second string I'm tuning down. This is the third string. Tuning down, make them loose first. Make them loose. This is the fourth string. By mistake also don't make it the other way around, otherwise strings will break. So these are my used strings. I change them once in 6 months. It is recommended that you change the strings more often, like 3 months or so. So I made all of the strings loose. Make the strings loose. Okay, so now after making the strings loose, make them like this loose, then come to the knobs, black knobs. After making the strings loose, now you can remove them. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are big fat strings, so it is taking a little more time. Otherwise, if this doesn't help, take out these strings first. Okay, so I have made them loose, but I have not disconnected them. Made them loose. See, I removed the strings. These knobs are a little bit tight because the strings length is very fat. So I will put my hand from inside and I will press the knobs from inside. So it's coming. Press them from inside. Don't press very hard, but slow, softly. Be careful. Okay, so finally it's come. Okay, so we have this 6 knobs here. Keep them, clean them, and keep them aside. Okay, and then slowly take off strings. After loosening the strings from here, then come here to the neck, and then one by one you can take out the strings. Like this is the first string. The first string. After removing this first string, you should fold the string and don't throw them anywhere here and there, because if it gets under your legs, okay, so one by one remove and fold all the strings. Now we'll remove the third string. Okay, then the fourth string. And sixth string. So we have removed all the 6 strings. After removing the 6 strings, you can use one cloth to clean the neck of the guitar. Clean it very nicely, all the knobs. The fretboards very nicely, one by one. Always use soft cloth to clean the guitar. Okay, so we have got it. So these are some set of strings. If you want to buy strings, I will mention the link in the below description. This is the E string, first string. Be careful while opening this string because this is very tiny string, and if it pokes your hand or so you will get injured. So first insert all the strings here, okay, and insert their respective knobs. The knob which has cut, okay, that you should insert this side, the side facing to the neck of the guitar. Okay, so just put it, then put the knob. Then now I'll be using the second string. So like this, first insert and take all the 6 strings in the knob. Okay, so while inserting the bigger strings, put them inside, press this knob and just pull a little so that it get fixed correctly. Okay, so we have this 6 strings this side, so let us tune all the strings this side. Take the first one, put it like this, and then tune it to the left. Pull and keep this string, and then keep on rotating. finally I have made this tight slowly and put it here inside this in the bridge, and press here just to see whether it's tight or no. Just pressing this knob. Okay, don't make it too tight starting. Okay, now take the second string, the same procedure to this extra string. This string will be cutting it later. Okay, so let's go to the second string, the same procedure as before. Insert it from this side like this, then move to the press and keep here, because while rotating it should not come on top, it should get twisted from below. So pull this wire little, pull this string little, sorry, just pull this string little and hold it tightly, pressing, so that it should get twisted from below and not from above. If it get twisted from above, then it will come out while rotating. Then insert it here in the second part of the bridge. See, I'm not getting it here, it came up. Look, press here after making it a little bit tight, press here, then make it tight. The knob is very tight now. Okay, so the string is somewhat tight. Okay, now the second string is done. Now we will take the third string. Okay, the same procedure should be followed for all the strings. So I'm inserting the last string, that is the sixth string. Slowly make it tight. Okay, don't make it too tight, but just be careful of the strings, it might poke you. Side by side, when you are making the strings tight, you have to check the knobs also, because sometimes the knobs also they come up while you're making the strings tight. So press and keep the knobs and make the string tight. So finally our strings are changed. For now I'm just rolling the extra part. Okay, I'll be cutting it later, because now I don't have cutter with me. I'll be cutting it later. For children and everyone guitarist, I recommend you to cut the remaining part of the strings which I have rolled. That part you have to cut. Don't keep it like that. It may harm your, first of all, it may harm your case or guitar case, or it may harm someone else, like it may get in touch with someone or it may injure someone. So please don't keep the strings like this. Please cut the strings, extra strings. So our guitar is ready with new strings. It looks so beautiful with the new strings. Then now we'll be tuning the guitar. For all the new guitarists, I'll be uploading soon the tuning guitar video, how to tune the guitar with the help of a chromatic guitar inbuilt tuner. Okay, this is my inbuilt tuner by Yamaha. I'll be showing you how to tune the guitar. Okay, so we are ready to go.